Hi guys, so what we're going to be doing today is doing a 3-barrel wave using this utensil. Now what this is it's a high curl. It's a brand high curl. You can pick it up if you live in Australia. You can pick it up from Penrith or any hair store really. Even if you don't live in Australia, you can also get it off the internet. What you're going to need is you're going to need that utensil. You're going to have to leave it on for about 5 minutes before you actually use it, otherwise it will not be on enough. Hairbrush. More than likely some bobby pins, something to section the hair, so a hairband or a clip or something, and some hairspray. So what you want to start doing firstly is just brush the hair, just get all the knots out, and then section it. So you want to start from the bottom, work your way up to the top, otherwise you will not get a good effect on this. So once you're left with around about this much, you can start. So I haven't got a good chair.
Don't worry.
It's like right there. Move forward. Like get up off the seat. Sit more forward over on the seat. Yeah. Okay. So you just want to take it into sections. So with this amount, you could probably do about 3 to 4 sections, so 3 or 4 different barrel curls. So depending on how clean your hair is, the cleaner it is, the harder it is going to be for it to actually have that effect. So you can add a little bit of hairspray before and then just brush it through because you don't want it to be stiff, because it's when you will get burnage. If you have a heat resistant spray, go right ahead and use that. We actually used that before we started recording. What we use is Tresemme, just for anyone wondering. Okay, so you just want to put the barrel on and just hold on there for about 3 seconds. Definitely no longer than 10 seconds.
You've all seen the video?
Yeah, we've all seen the fail video with the hair curler. You do not want your hair to snap. It's also another reason why you don't want to spray too much hairspray in your hair, because then it's more likely to burn. Okay, and before you drop it on their back, just let it cool off in your hand and give it a bit of a spray. Otherwise you'll burn their back with their hair. It bloody hurts. And just continue the process for the last couple of sections. Is that hard?
No.
Then you want to go down to your next section. So you'll have that effect so far. That really nice crimped effect. Just like that. You don't want to frizz it though, because otherwise you'll turn out like a 90s child. Where after you take all your braids out, you get all frizzy hair, which you don't really want, unless you're going for that look, that's a different story, but if you're going to use extensions, clip-in extensions, you just crimp them before you crimp your actual hair, and yeah, you work your way into them. You can probably search those up on YouTube if you want to know how to crimp your extensions. So same thing again.
Oh, okay.
Oh, fucking cunt! What did I burn?
My head? I'll try and get the beeping effect from when I swear.
Yeah.
Freaking burn!
so for the front, we're going to go ahead and part it in the middle. You can do the front sections however you like. Everyone prefers it differently. We're just going to probably braid it and then crimp half of it or something. See how we go. Decide I'm going to braid. Okay, so I'm going to braid it and then crimp whatever is left over. So like that section on the side, crimp that. What's wrong?
Nothing on your finger cramp.
Oh. So to braid, it's a lot more complicated than what you think. No, it's really not that hard. I taught myself when I was younger, when I used to play with my Barbie dolls. To be honest, that's exactly how I learned. Okay, so there we go. So we've got all our hair crimps. You can pull it to the front, you can pull it to one side, you can do a little half updo at the back so that it comes around like that, and put accessories in it, or yeah, you can finish that however you like. We will upload more videos eventually. So yeah, just like, comment, let us know for any video requests that you want us to do, and definitely subscribe. You know what to do, guys.